Why hello chanceians, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into the video. I wanted to do something different with my background because it's always just like the regular painted wall. But today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to decorate, be festive because it's October when this video is going up. So let's get into the video though. So first I'm going to use my Lancome Genifique Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate and just apply it to my face. And I drop there, there, there. And all around my neck. Let's just continue. I have to blend this out and then I'll put it back up. So I took my moisturizer brush, or the brush that I used to apply moisturizer. And now that that's on, I'm gonna go put the lights back up. So I'll see you in a jiffy. So I'm back. The moisturizer set into the skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the poreless putty primer that I just bought, which will be the first time I'm using it, and just apply it to my nose and around my nose. It's definitely very soft. The only reason why I'm applying it around the nose as well is because there's a lot of times that my pores around my nose are noticeable. But anywhere else they aren't. So now that the primer's on, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Dew Primer from the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer and just apply it to the back of my hand. And take that moisturizer brush foundation brush that I use for moisturizer, and just apply it to the spots where I didn't put the e.l.f. putty primer. So pretty much on the sides of my face and down the neck. I'm gonna give that a couple seconds. Just to get into the skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the foundation. I'm gonna take the Magic Minerals Airbrush foundation that I have and just spray it on my face. And then blend that out. And of course it decides to rain when I want to film. The foundation isn't really full coverage. I just like the way that it sits in the shade right now because it fits my skin tone. Now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in shade Vanilla. Concealer is a very liquidy concealer, so around underneath the eyes I'm gonna let it set, but everywhere else I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer underneath my eyes now. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Coty Airspun powder and just set underneath my eyes with that, and then use setting spray to set the rest of my face. And now on to bronzer. I'm not going to do blush, like a very strong blush today, but I will be bronzing my face. And I'm going to go ahead and take the Dragon Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder and just take both shades and apply that underneath my eyes. Now for the blush, I'm going to go in with this very subtle shade right here and just take it all along my face. Not all along my face, but just on my cheekbones. Don't want too bold of a blush. And now onto highlighter. I'm going to take the Coty Airspun Loose Face Highlighter and I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer and just apply that to my eyes. So it doesn't really seem to be coming up at all. There we go. Guess you just have to work it. You have to warm it up with your finger. Probably took too much, but it wasn't wanting to work for me. You definitely have to work your finger, like the warmth of your finger into it. So now I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette and go in with the shade Tune all over, just in the crease, just to be a transition shade. And then before adding any color, I'm going to go ahead and do the brows off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back and the brows are done. I used the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in shade Brunette, and I used a new product of mine, the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I used the brow side, which is just pretty much a brow gel. So I went ahead and combed it through the brows. And now for the next shade in the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and take .518 and just go into the crease as well. both sides. The next one is color I'm going to use is code James, and just apply that to the outer crease to darken up that bit. Just going to blend it into the crease outward and like inwards, just to deepen it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take 10% off and just blend that into the outer corner, and just the outer corner, keeping it right here. And now what I'm going to do is just take a deeper brown, the no beans shade in his palette, and just keep it right there and bring it right down to right there, and just keep it in the outer corner. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in shade Dirty Martini and just put it on the back of my hand. And then I will go ahead and take a packer brush and just apply it to the inner corner. And now what I'm going to do is take 10% off again, and just in order to just blend those two shades together, make it seamless. Still have to do underneath, so I'm just going to go ahead and take code James underneath the eyes. Taking 10% off and towards the end, like towards the outer corner, and then taking no beans and just putting it right there. And then taking the e.l.f. detail crease brush and just blending those together. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back with the other eye done. I went ahead and added some brow and inner corner highlight with shade Face. And I added underneath the eyes too. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take a liner brush and just go in with the inner, like the top of the eye, and taking the LA Girl gel eyeliner and hoping that I can do this. And now that the liner's done, I'm going to go ahead and use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara on the top lashes. And brushing it through the bottom. Damn, wanted to use the, oh well. So now that the eyes are done, I can finally go ahead and go in with the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Sheer Slick lipstick in shade orange and just apply that to my lips first. Definitely dark and sultry, in my opinion. These eyes. So because it is sheer, I actually kind of like it as like a lip gloss in a way. Like it feels good. But I still don't like it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss in shade Reef, which is like a orangish, orange nude shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that to my lips. And it actually smells nice. So those two did not blend good together, or I applied too much of the lip gloss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Because the sheer stick started acting as a lip gloss, so it started to move around. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the lifter gloss. I really love this look. I love this eye better. But other than that, still have to set the rest of my face. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up in the section down below. Don't forget to comment down below any future video ideas you want me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Love you.